The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available online on Fashion Premier Academy. If you're interested in finding out more about it or enrolling, click the link below. Rolling. This is the bias. So I'm draping this dress on the bias. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to start by pinning my muslin on the shoulder. Put a couple of pins on the shoulder. I'm going to come across the bust here to the side seam. And I'm going to place a couple of pins in the center front just to keep it straight. If I want this to be somewhat slim, I'm going to create my side seam. And I'm going to start getting rid of any excess muslin that I don't need. And if I want this to be fitted here, chances are I'm going to have a little dart right in here. So I'm just going to pinch that for now. And eventually this will become a dart. And I'm going to start pinning my side seam. The same thing on this side. I'm going to pin my side seam. Get rid of all this extra muslin that's only going to get in the way. And mark your center front because when we take this muslin, this drape of the form onto paper, we want to take your center front, fold it so that the side seams are the same. Okay, so this is a very simple dress. I'll do the same thing for the back in a minute. If I wanted to do something a little more fancy, a little more elaborate, a little more detail oriented, such as that design, right? What I would have to do, okay, there's two ways of doing this. There's the draping process where your side seam, right, would not be close to the body, but actually you would have to start gathering your fabric. You can start by folding your muslin in such a way that it starts to create folds and pleats. Until you get the desired design, right? So that's one way to do it. The other way to do it is once you have a pattern and you wanted to add a pleat. What is that? That's adding fullness. That's one of the principles of pattern making. Adding fullness. How do we do that? Slash and spread. Slash and spread. So from the side seam, right? You would slash, 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 and spread the pattern to add your pleats. Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the videos available on Fashion Premier Academy. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified every time I post a new video, which is every week. I'll see you in class.